How does practicing meditation actually change the brain? Is it true that meditation can help us change our everyday stress, deal with chronic anxiety, and eliminate depression? Neuroplasticity is the brain's ability to transform its connections over time by eliminating and rebuilding its superhighways of information, neurosynaptic connections. So even though we talk a lot about ages 0 to 7, even though there's a much greater amount of neuroplasticity between the ages of 0 and 7, we know that the brain does stay somewhat plastic or malleable throughout our lives. This gives us the ability to reshape the brain by strengthening certain neural pathways and pruning away others. It is very important to note that meditation is not like taking an aspirin. It's not something that we can do when we're stressed or anxious or depressed and expect results. It's the regular practice that all the studies point to.